and the much anticipated Bitcoin exchange-traded fund launch was met with excitement and skepticism. According to CNBC's Neuner, while the surface-level enthusiasm was palpable with $4.5 billion traded, a close examination of the trade's composition revealed a more nuanced reality. The event, which many anticipated would bring a surge of new capital into the Bitcoin market, instead saw a significant portion of the activity focused on the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. And a critical observation from the day's trading was that nearly half of the $4.6 billion traded was linked to the GBTC. This was primarily in sales and outflows attributed to the trust's higher fees and the nature of its Bitcoin holdings. This shift indicated that the high trade volume was more a reallocation of existing positions rather than an influx of new capital into the market. Additionally, the stability of Bitcoin's price, which hovered between 45,000 and 48,000, suggested a market in anticipation rather than reactive to the ETF launch. This observation is crucial in fact understanding the market dynamics during the ETF's debut. While the high trade volume could be misinterpreted as success, the lack of significant new capital inflows painted a different picture. Large-scale investors, who often bring significant capital, typically display a pattern of waiting out the initial market frenzy following the launch of new financial products. Their approach is marked by patience and precision, preferring to let the market stabilize before making substantial investments. This strategy could imply that the initial trading day, though not reflective of immediate success in terms of fresh inflows, is not necessarily indicative of the ETF's long-term performance, and the infrastructure for large-scale Bitcoin investment facilitated by the ETF is still in its early stages. And while the first day did not meet some expectations for new capital inflows, it set the stage for potential future growth. Experienced investors' cautious approach, characterized by waiting out initial volatility, could lead to significant investments in the future, contributing to the ETF's long-term success. Read also Vitalik Buterin hails optimism after $100 million funding to developers